Here we are in today's project. I am going to assemble, with these simple assembly instructions, a workbench. Now, this kit was sent to me to kind of review for you, and it's a workbench that doesn't come with the wood. So you could use your own wood. This is a reclaimed old desk that I had, and I was using it the full size, but I actually cut it down to narrow it to make it fit this workbench and the space I plan to put it in. So the kit is well thought out, I think. So you're gonna have the legs. So this is one side of the legs. It has pegboard, so you can hang tools, nice and convenient. And these have adjustable legs. So we're gonna be able to adjust the height of the workbench conveniently, depending how high we want it. Is it a standing workbench? Can it be used as a computer table? Or a video shooting table like I do for testing out products, or even just a garage workbench. Now, these brackets connect to the wood table, like so, and to the legs, giving it more support. I guess I'm gonna need basic tools like screwdrivers, screw guns. Comes with extra brackets here. It comes with all the nuts and bolts. Everything is packed securely. And it also comes with caster wheels with locking, so that, you know, these are the soft kind, the good kind, that you could roll, and I hopefully should be able to roll these on a wood floor. So this is great in the shop or in the house. Now, these are the nice ones. Super smooth. Nice braking action here. And seems safe for the wood floor. They spin around here. Seems like good quality casters. And it also comes with a built-in power bar. Enough cord to reach where we're going. 3 plugs, 3 prong, a USB, and a USB-C port. Convenient. So in this leg, it will come with some pegboard options here, and this will be installed here. So this will be on the side, and you're gonna have a bench portable with power wherever you go. I think that's super convenient, super cool. And also the other thing, which is optional, but you have it, you might as well install it, is a basic sliding drawer. So comes with the hinges, you know, nice smooth action. It's not super deep, but this is great for miscellaneous screwdrivers, paperwork, pens, whatever you could fit in here. And it's totally up to how you're gonna use your bench. So this is pretty cool that it comes with. And it's not locking, but who needs that with a workbench? So depending on the top that you get, you could use some plywood, 2 layers of plywood or thick plywood. You could use existing wood reclaimed desk, reclaimed wood. You can even put a couple 2x4s together, and however you want to, whether you're going for a custom looks and feel, or you're just going to go roughneck and just get some wood and beat up your board. And the good thing about it is, if one board gets messed up, you can just replace it. You don't have to replace the whole workbench, because this is a kit where you could change the wood out depending on your needs. So I'm gonna start building it, and I don't want to bore you with the whole process, but I'm excited to get this thing up and running. So here I am. I put together the 2 side legs and the straps that strap to the table. So basically adjustable 2 screws here. Set the height. You got to count for the casters, or it has flat bottom feet. I measured how it's going to sit on the table. Now I wanted it this wide because I want to go over a tool chest underneath the table. So I made sure I put it wide enough. Now I could have put it closer. So this is totally customizable. This is what's great about a system like this. And basically it comes with two different types of screws. So it's going to be short little wood screws that are going to go in these 3 holes, and then longer wood screws to attach to there. So you would have to have like a thick, top to be able to work with the screws. So I guess these are about 1 inch, and these are going to go in the table, and then these are smaller ones which are going to go in the legs into the table. So I'll cinch this down, and it's Phillips head screwdriver with screw gun. You could pre-drill the holes, or you could do like me, and I'm gonna go straight in, because this is like pressed wood, so the screws should drive right in. So that's what I'm gonna do now, and I'll get back to you with an update. So far I got the legs secured, and I just installed the drawer. Put a couple of screws on each end. You put a little L bracket here, and you screwed it down. I just put 1 screw in each because that's strong enough. I'm not sure if I'm gonna keep that there, so that's why I just placed it and see if it fits my needs. If not, then I don't have to have a storage like desk drawer in there. So I'm gonna flip this. Now this tabletop, this desk is like super heavy. These actual parts weren't really heavy at all. So let's see how I do this. Yeah, it's like crazy heavy. Go on the side here. And then I'll grab this here. And there we go. Moves around easily. So I'm gonna make a quick 360 turn. And this is my new workbench. Got the drawer here. This adds a lot of functionality to this. It's kind of nice. It comes with the kit. I probably could put it a little bit straighter, but I could make adjustments with that very easily. So now the height will still be adjustable. It's got the wheel locks. See, I lock it down like that. It doesn't move. And then I guess you flip them up when you want to go mobile. So I got a little attachment for the pegboards. So you have it on the side here, and there you go. I can put screwdrivers and stuff over here. And you know what the good thing is? If you want it concealed, you can put it on the inside also. So that's pretty cool. So there's a lot of things you could do with this, and it's definitely sturdy enough to put a transmission up here, sturdy enough to, get the job done. Nice drawer here, put a couple extra tools and stuff. Easy to reach. Adjustable legs. It could go a lot higher than this, up to here. The wheels are really nice. I got it on wood floor. I'm not concerned with scruffing the wood floor. And there she goes. It looks good. It works good. It's gonna last. It's the kind of stuff that lasts forever. It's got a nice coating on it prevent rust. It's not like it's going to get wet and stuff, but you could probably keep this outside in certain situations, you know, covered or whatnot. So lots of applications to commercial, to residential, DIY type guy like me, and I like it. I finally put this top to good use. So that's what it is, 2,000 pounds capacity, and I like it.